Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that's been blowing up the comments. Rumble versus YouTube monetization, which is the better fit for a brand new creator like yourself? Let's face it, creating awesome content is only half the battle. You gotta get those sweet monetization bucks rolling in too. But with these two video giants out there, it can feel like picking sides in a superhero movie. Fear not, fellow content creators, because today we're breaking down the Rumble, LOL, between Rumble and YouTube to see which one helps beginners like you become a monetization master. In the red corner, we have the reigning champ, YouTube. It's got a massive audience, more brand deals than you can shake a selfie stick at, and let's be honest, everyone and their grandma knows how to use it. But hold on there, grandpappy. YouTube can be a tough crowd to crack. Getting monetized can feel like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops, and with millions of creators vying for attention, getting those views can be a struggle for beginners. Now, let's shift gears to the challenger, the up-and-coming Rumble. Rumble's got a smaller audience, but that also means less competition for your eyeballs. Plus, whispers on the internet say their monetization requirements are easier to meet. Like, way easier. We're talking beginner-friendly here, but here's the thing, Rumble's still the new kid on the block. So, building a brand and audience might take a bit more elbow grease. So, which one wins? Honestly, it depends on your goals. If you crave a massive audience and established brand deals, YouTube might be your jam. But if you're a beginner looking for a quicker path to monetization and a more supportive community, Rumble could be your secret weapon. Ultimately, the best way to win is to diversify your portfolio. Why not try both platforms and see which one resonates with you and your audience? Let me know in the comments below which platform you're most curious about. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome content creation tips. Remember, in the world of online video, there are no losers, only creators who keep hustling and learning. Until next time, keep it creative.